I must say, I think I did great. I deserve a sticker.
Stick it out, poke it out, stick it out, poke it out.
Did I do it or did I do it? Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by NeatandSleek. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay. So I've been drinking, clink, clink, my water. Your girl's still getting over whatever she had when she got her shot, and I need to hydrate, okay? Now, before we get into this install, the specs, and what I think about this unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut, I put that on cut when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, put that on cut when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home.
Okay, so like I said, this unit does come from Neat and Sleek. It is their Knotless Braided Wig. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. You can choose the specs for your unit as far as the cap size, the baby hairs, the length of the unit, as well as the color. So if you want a certain color for this unit, make sure you check the site to see if they have different color options available for this wig. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, if you do not know, Neat and Sleek comes for the pockets, okay? They are not a cheap brand when it comes to their wigs, and for good reason. Okay, do you see how this wig is sitting on me? They didn't come to play. They ain't doing this for fun. So don't get mad at me about the price point. I didn't price it, okay? But I understand why this full lace wig is the price that it is. So if you're looking for a cheap or more affordable braided wig, this one not gonna be for you. Normally they send me a medium cap, and the medium caps are normally too small for me. They run like a 22.5 to 23, but it never feels like a 23. So I told them make sure they send me a 23-inch cap, and y'all, they did just that, okay? This unit is actually very big head friendly on me. I do not secure my wigs down in the back, so my wig is up, but if I wanted to, I would just bobby pin it like that. I never spray them down the back. Even if I want to do like a high ponytail or something, I normally have a scarf on, or I'll just leave some of the braids down to give me, you know, that effect. I thought I was gonna have to cut off this braid right here on both sides because it was kind of cutting into my ear, but I tightened down my adjustable straps and the elastic band in the back to kind of pull the unit, you know, to the back like this, which allowed this braid to sit right on top of my ear, which made it fit a lot better around my hairline. I would rather have a little bit of space in the back than for it to be too tight around my temples, because I'm trying to be outside, okay? I'm not trying to get a concussion outside. That is not cute. If you want sparse or full baby hairs, the hairline's gonna need some work. I wanted the sparse baby hairs on me, and I wanted to make sure it was legit sparse baby hairs, and they actually did me justice this time. Normally with the sparse baby hairs, it's still a little full around the hairline, but Neat and Sleek is learning, okay? We like sparse, barely there. I did pull out some of them right here in the front because I didn't need those, and the rest of them I just kind of swooped back into. Are you just kidding me? And the rest of it just kind of switched back into my hairline. This time my hairline is looking, y'all, and I must say, I think I did great. I deserve a sticker because this looks good, y'all. I am so proud of myself. This is probably the best hairline I have done on my braided wig to date. Now I'm pretty sure this is my first time doing a knotless braided wig with any company, and I will say I feel like some of the braids here in the front, they seemed a little loose, especially down here in the middle. The ones that kind of like, you know, lay on the top are kind of like flat looking. Because I've never had a knotless braided wig, I don't know how they're supposed to look. So, you know, it could just be how I'm used to a, you know, a regular knotted braided wig looking, that this is kind of throwing me off a little bit. But as you can see, it didn't stop the slay, okay? It stopped nothing, because this looks fantastic. You hear me? You will need to straighten the braids out because they do get kind of crimped and, you know, bunched up in the packaging. So I just sprayed some water on them, and then I turned my blow dryer on high heat and just pressed the blow dryer down the hair. And before you ask, this may be a contender for Essence Fest, okay? This may be a contender because it's not heavy on my head. It's very lightweight. You can also do some styles with this joint. Sorry, I didn't film it. I know somebody gonna say, you should have filmed it. I know. But it's very simple, okay? I just pulled it up in a ponytail, and then I had the bang out right here in the front, and I literally just wrapped the bang around the bun, okay? It's part of the bun. That's all I did. And then I just kind of, you know, loosened it a little bit to give that look. Let me turn around so you can see how it looks in the back, okay? That's how it's looking in the back. It's cute though, it's cute. See, but y'all see this? Y'all see how this is looking? Like, come on, listen, Neat and Sleek is top tier braided wigs. I don't care what nobody say. I love their wigs. It looks so good, y'all. Who gonna tell me it's a wig? Who gonna tell me? Don't do it. Don't do it, Brenda. You was waiting in the wings. I know you were. I know it's a wig, girl. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Neat and Sleek for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link and my specs down below, so if you guys want to check this unit out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.